Regent Society is marketed as a premium-style fashion brand with affordable prices. But the real question is, can you actually trust this store, or is it another risky online clothing site? Now, to be fair, there are newer fashion stores that turn out to be legitimate, and some customers do report positive experiences with Regent Society. What it does well: modern, stylish designs. The clothing looks visually attractive online, especially the linen shirts, dresses, and casual wear. Some positive customer reviews. A number of Trustpilot reviews mention decent-looking clothes, acceptable quality, and responsive customer service. Affordable pricing. The prices are much lower than true luxury or premium linen brands, making the product accessible for trend-focused shoppers. Where it falls short: very new website. One major red flag is that the domain appears to have been created only recently in 2026, which means there is very little long-term reputation history. Mixed trust signals. Some scam detection sites rate the store as high risk or suspicious due to young domain age and weak trust history. Questionable product descriptions. Some product advertised as linen or premium may not fully match customer expectations. One reviewer specifically complained about receiving a cashmere sweater that was actually polyester. So, can you trust Regent Society? It does not currently look like a confirmed scam, but there are enough warning signs to be careful. The store appears to operate more like a trendy fast fashion or dropshipping style retailer than a true premium fashion brand. Final verdict: Regent Society equals mixed trust, uncertain quality. If you decide to order, it's safer to start small, use protected payment methods, and avoid assuming the product will match the luxury style marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.